Hey viewers, in this video we'll see how to make buttery garlic breadsticks. Here's a super easy recipe to breadsticks that are hot, buttery, covered with herbs and loads of garlic. First, to a cup, add in 100 grams of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, a little bit of salt if you're using unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Mix this well and set aside. Next, take a whole loaf of bread. Cut 1-inch thick slices. And make into 1-inch sticks. Now apply the garlic butter on cut breadsticks. Here I am applying butter to 2 opposite sides. So you can also apply to all sides if you'd like. Next, toast the sticks on a pan on low heat. Flip and toast until all buttered sides are golden and crisp. Buttery garlic breadsticks are ready. Do try out this easy recipe and let us know your comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Enjoy!